How to enable automatic app updates on the Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to enable automatic app updates on the Google Play Store. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Google Play Store app on your phone. Now navigate to profile icon at top right corner of your screen and you need to select settings option. Scroll down and look for Network Preferences. Tap on the arrow next to it to open the drop down. Here you need to simply tap on Auto App Updates. Now here you will see different options like Update over Wi-Fi only, Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, and Update with limited amount of mobile data. You simply need to choose any one of your choice. You can choose over Wi-Fi only for a demo. Now you can tap on OK button if you have got. So here there is automatic option, so there is no need to tap on OK. So we have already enabled automatic app updates on Google Play Store. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.